Rate my friends. How to play. The object of the game is to be the first player to collect 7 trait cards. Shuffle the trait cards and place them face down on the table. Give the oldest player the Master Raider dial. They are the Master Raider for the first round. The Master Raider draws 2 trait cards and puts them face up on the table. If the Master Raider draws a card they find offensive, feel uncomfortable answering, or simply don't understand, they may discard it and draw a replacement. The Master Raider now secretly grades themselves on a scale of 1 to 10 on each trait card by setting the number on each dial for a corresponding word. Once the Master Raider has chosen their numbers, play moves to the left as each player tries to guess the sum of the 2 numbers on the dials. Their answer may be between 2 and 20. The Master Raider writes each guess on the score pad. Once everyone has guessed, the Master Raider reveals the dial and points are scored. The player whose guess is closest to the sum of the 2 numbers on the dial wins both the round's trait cards. If it is a 2-way tie, then each of the tied players takes 1 card instead. If the tie is with more than 2 players, then the Master Raider gives 1 trait card to the tied player they think that trait best describes. The role of the Master Raider rotates clockwise by 1 and a new round is played. The first player to collect 7 trait cards wins. If playing with 7 or more players, then play until each player has been the Master Raider once, then stop, and the player with the most trait cards wins.